If you're wondering if there's a way to upload your products to your Noomu shop all at once, the answer is absolutely. Here's a quick tutorial to show you exactly how to do that in your Noomu dashboard. If you're interested in learning the other benefits like search engine optimization and for doing this en masse like that, we do have another tutorial at eKitHub University you can watch. I'll link to that one. That's a little longer and goes into some more detail for you. Otherwise, here's how to do it. Okay, so here I am inside the Noomu dashboard. I've clicked on store and went to products. And now I'm going to go over here where it says add product. I'm going to click more and I have import. So here you'll see the sample import file that can be downloaded. And I'm going to go ahead and download that. And I already have it open in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you're going to put in the URL that you want, which often you will want the keywords, right? So if it's that discipline printable journal, maybe it's printable dash discipline dash journal. You're going to have the title, which you're also going to incorporate the keyword, but also have something enticing for people. Promise what results they can expect, and then also the keyword. Now, this description, this spreadsheet is for your store. So the product description that people will see when they go. It's not your SEO description specifically, but it obviously helps with the search engine optimization. And once you upload it, this will be plain text, but then you can format it inside the builder. So you can also specify the category that you have. If you have things like options like sizes or if the name of the option and its value and the options that they have, if you have that. If you're doing digital products, this part you probably can ignore. You can also do an SKU if you would like to have that in there as well. But where we want to get to really for most of us is the price. And let me just go over here so you can see. So there you could say if it's on sale, true or false. You can put your regular price here and the sale price here. Then you have the image, product image that you can say where it's been uploaded and the URL for it. If you don't have that ready, you can still upload this and then add the images if that feels easier for you. Now you're going to put your SEO description in here and then you want to incorporate the keywords, also make it something enticing that will, because that's what people are going to see in the search engines as they're Googling for products like yours. So you want it to be enticing to live there. And then you're going to put if it's a physical product, digital product, membership, etc. And then the digital file URL, which you can upload to Noomu and then grab the link. And I will show you how to grab those things. And then if it's a hidden product or not. So let's go and look at how you can upload your images ahead of time and how you can upload your files and grab those links if you want to do it in the spreadsheet. And then I will show you a finished spreadsheet and we'll upload it and see how it looks. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is upload the files and images so that they can be imported into the spreadsheet. Of course, you can upload them first and then add the files however you want to do it. But just in case you want to know how to do this. So we're in the builder and I will click on website settings and we have the file manager. And if you go under view all files, you can add stuff there. You can create folders. So maybe we put product images and I'll put product files. And there we go. And you'll see that when you are in the file manager, specifically, you can put your mouse over and you'll see a link. That's how you're going to get the links. So we're going to go ahead and upload our product images. I'm going to use this new folder and I have my images here. So I'm going to upload them all. And once that's done, I'm going to go grab the link here. So it's the Getting Unstuck journal. And I'm going to go to the image SRC and I'm going to put that link in there. So now that's going to upload the image as well. And then the same will go for the files. So I will go through and I'll add all 4. And then for the files, I'll come here, I'll upload my product files and my downloads, and I will I will upload them all. And then again, I will grab the links. So I will put that on Stuck Journal. I will grab that one and I'll put it digital file URL. And then I don't have to worry about it. And when I upload it, everything's gonna be ready. And now let's go ahead and upload it and see what it looks like. Okay, so through the magic of the internet, I've added all the image files and all the download files, and all the products are digital products. So we're ready to upload. So let's go back to the store under products. And now we're going to go back to that import, and we're going to go import now. And we're going to go to our downloads, and we have the CSV. And so you can review everything to make sure it looks correct. We don't have options and things like that, so that's okay. It's blank. And we have an SEO description for all of them. So let's go next. And then you wait, and it will email you, or you'll also see in this screen when it's done. And the message will stay here until it's ready. Okay, so now our products are uploaded, and we could take a peek. And we have the 30 days to getting unstuck journal. This one is not on sale. One of them wasn't. It's got that URL for us. It's in a category, and the download file is ready for them. You may want to add a tag also to tag your customers, and you can also make a custom thank you page and stuff like that if you'd like, but it's ready to go. It is there we have. It's a short description here. Obviously, you can upload a longer description, and then you can use the editor here to edit stuff. And you can use the drag and drop editor. You can add widgets just like you can with everything else. So a super easy way to get things done. Start using that PLR, having products in your shop, and later you can bundle up some of these products and maybe make bigger packages, whatever you want to do. So if you have any questions on how it works, if you need help with keyword research and stuff like that, we have a few videos that Yusuf has made for you. I'll link to those for you, and let us know how else we can help.